Hey guys, this is RTX Meetlug, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a trick through which you guys will be able to create a secret folder on your Windows operating system. Now, this trick works with all the Windows operating systems I know: Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and Windows 10 also, which I'm currently using. Now, a secret folder is basically a normal Windows folder which you make by going on new and then on folder, and then you create a folder named anything. Okay, so a secret folder is just like this folder. It's just that it won't have a name or an folder icon. Okay, so it won't have a name and an folder icon. So because of that, it would be completely invisible and not visible to human eye. So basically, if you'll try to create a folder like that, let me show you guys from the starting. If you'll try to create a folder without a name or an icon, then it is simply not possible. Let me show you. Here I'm creating a new folder, and if I don't enter any name and simply press enter, then as you can see, by default, Windows operating system names a folder new folder if you create it newly. If you think that you can rename it and then simply leave the name box empty and then press enter, then also by default Windows operating system will name a new folder as new folder only. So there's simply no way through which you can basically leave a folder name empty and it would become invisible in terms of folder name. There would be no folder name. That is impossible. But there's a trick through which you can actually remove the name of a folder, create a folder without a name. So for doing this, you need to actually open a software known as character map. Now this is a pre-installed software in all operating systems of Windows. So simply search for character map. Here you go. Simply open it, and as you can see, this is character map. Okay, now here you need to find a blank box. This is the blank box which we are looking for. This is known as no break space. Now it is basically like the space which we use while typing, but it is recognized as a character by Windows. It isn't recognized as a normal space which we use while typing. It is recognized as a letter, a character by Windows. So that's the reason why you'll be able to use this to create a folder without a name. So after selecting this, press on select button here and then press on copy, and then minimize this. Right click on your folder, press on rename, and then in the name box you need to paste this. Okay, and then press on enter. Now you can also use the keystrokes alt plus 255 or alt plus 0160 in the name box if you want to create a folder like this without a name, but those would only work if you have a numpad on your keyboard. If you don't have a numpad on your keyboard, then Alt plus 255 and Alt plus 0160 keystrokes won't work. I'm not talking about the numbers available up just above the alphabets. I'm talking about a separate numpad section on your keyboard. If you don't have that, then the keystrokes Alt plus 255 and Alt plus 0160 won't work. Okay, and then you need to use this trick which I just showed, open character map and do all that. Okay, now we have removed the name of this folder. Now we need to remove the icon of this folder to make it completely invisible, right? So for doing that, you need to right click on this folder and then go on properties, and then go on customize, and then go on change icon, the normal way how you can change icon of a folder on a Windows operating system. Now you need to simply go here, as you can see, and here you can see there are four empty spaces: one, two, three, four. Now select any one out of this. Okay, these are actually invisible icons available in your Windows operating system. Select any one out of this, press on apply and then on OK. So as you can see, there is a bug in Windows 10, Windows 8, and also Windows 8.1. It isn't present in Windows 7 or Windows Vista or Windows XP. It is only present in Windows 8, 8.1, and 10. That turns this folder into black color. So basically, if you remove the icon of a folder, then it will show black color. So how you can basically tackle this bug, then let me show you how you can actually do that. So basically, you need to right click and then go on view and simply change the size of the icon. This should work with most of the computers. Go for large icons, and as you can see, as soon as I went for large icons, this folder became invisible. As you can see, this folder is invisible now, and it simply isn't visible. You can also go for a size such as after this you can also go for medium icons. As soon as the folder becomes invisible, you can go back to the regular size, the default size which you had. such as I had medium icons, so I went back to medium icons, and as you can see, the folder is still invisible. You can also go for small icons if you had by default small icons, and then as you can see, it has become visible again. So let's go for medium, and as you can see, it is invisible. So yeah, you can change the folder icon size, and this should tackle this bug. So here is this invisible folder. As you can see, it's completely invisible, not visible to the human eye. You can see there is nothing here, but there is a folder here. You can open it. So basically, if it shows a black icon, simply change the icon size. It will make it invisible, and then go back to your original size, and it would still be invisible, and the black icon would be gone. So this is how the bug is tackled, which happens only Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, Vista, or XP, then this bug won't happen, and you'll be able to create a secret folder easily. Now, if you want to make it even more protective or secret, then you can simply keep a widget on top of it. Now, if you have a widget, then you can keep it on top of this. But since I don't have widgets option on my Windows operating system, so I can't do that. As you can see, this is the folder, and yeah, even if you refresh your computer, then also, as you can see, the folder won't be really visible. As you can see, it's not really visible. It's not visible at all. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't like this, then simply leave a dislike, and please tell me in the comments after that what simply you didn't like about this video. I will work up on those things. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.